Hi, I am Sushma Jakhar. I am a consciousness coach and a performance strategist as a corporate trainer. So, in my personal life, in my own journey with my clients, with my participants, there is something that I have been very constantly practicing, and that is reconditioning of your subconscious mind. Because conditioning तो किसी ने कर ही दी है over a period of 20 years, 25 years, 40 years, or you may be 60 years. So a set of conditioning has been done. Now is the time to recondition your mind to get some amazing results. Here I feel so amazed and I'm so grateful that Devin, one of a very good friend of mine, has come up with this beautiful process and a complete whole system of miGenie, which takes care of your reconditioning of your mind. So along with coaching or along with the training that you have learned or you can choose to learn, this system, this whole process, this whole system works absolutely like a magic. It integrates with your learning or by itself and turns out to be a very, very powerful system of reconditioning of your mind. So miGenie, with my own participants and with my own self, I have seen. So I'll give you a very small example. I started practicing, or I got enrolled with the system like 5 months back, and out of 5 goals that I had set, 2 of my goals have been fulfilled. So it's a wow situation. So I congratulate each one of you who have decided to be a part of this journey to transform your life. So wishing you tons of love and great success ahead. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.